Tankless water heaters deliver hot water on demand, offering space savings, reduced standby energy, and the ability to scale hot water for point of use or whole home needs. This review analyzes 5 widely available models across a price spectrum from budget to premium, representing both point-of-use electric units and higher capacity whole home solutions. Product number 1. EcoSmart Eco 11 Electric Tankless Water Heater. The EcoSmart Eco 11 is EcoSmart's small form, high-efficiency 13 kilowatt electric tankless model designed for point-of-use or compact installations. It advertises endless on-demand hot water with self-modulating technology that adjusts output to meet demand, maintaining water temperature within about 1 degree of the set point. At a listed 13 kilowatt and 240 V, its maximum flow is roughly 3.1 GPM, making it well suited for a bathroom sink, a small basin, or a single low-flow application. The unit is exceptionally compact, 11.5 by 8 by 3.75 inches, and claims 99% thermal efficiency, which translates to lower standby losses compared with traditional storage heaters. It employs an LED display and comes with a lifetime warranty on electronics, exchanger, and element, though labor and incidental damages aren't covered. Product number 2. Rheem 18 kilowatt 240 volt tankless electric water heater. Rheem's RTEX18 presents a higher capacity 18 kilowatt electric tankless option with a robust copper immersion heating element and self-modulation. It delivers up to 4.4 GPM and features an external digital thermostat with LED display for precise temperature control within 1 degree. The unit is designed for straightforward installation with bottom 3/4-inch NPT water connections and a wall mount form factor, while the copper elements aim to provide durability and rapid heat transfer. It's marketed for whole home or larger point-of-use configurations with a 140-degree Fahrenheit maximum temperature and 99.8% efficiency. In terms of performance, the RTEX18 excels in households requiring more than a single small tap hot water supply. Product number 3. Mini Tankless Under Sink Instant Hot Water Heater Electric, 3 kilowatts, 120 volts plug-in. Lee Clock's 3 kilowatts, 120 volt mini tankless unit is a point-of-use solution designed for under-sink installation with a plug-in configuration. It supports temperature adjustment from 30 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius via a knob or digital display, with integrated protections like leakage, overheat, and dry fire protection, plus IPX4 waterproofing. The product description emphasizes suitability for one point-of-use scenarios and warns that the 3 kilowatt output is insufficient for showers or multi-tap use, pushing users toward higher wattage models for broader needs. A 120 volt supply means it can be plugged into standard outlets, which makes it widely accessible but limits power delivery. Real-world performance with 3 kilowatts and 120 volts typically yields limited GPM and modest temperature rise. Product number 4. Tankless Water Heater Electric 110V. This 110V 3000 watt under sink tankless heater from XWDZ SWGS targets budget-conscious users seeking instant hot water at the point of use. It claims rapid temperature rise, 82 degrees Fahrenheit at 0.3 GPM, and 131 degrees Fahrenheit at 0.5 GPM, with a compact, IP-rated design and an LED display. The unit emphasizes safety features like water electric isolation and dry boil protection, along with a durable build and a 2.42-pound weight. It's positioned as an affordable, space-saving option for kitchens or baths where low-flow, point-of-use hot water suffices. In practice, this model is best for tasks such as washing hands or quick small volume uses rather than showering. Its 110V plug and compact dimensions simplify installation, But the 0.3 to 0.5 GPM performance means water temperature can drop quickly if flows increase, even slightly. Product number 5, Rinnai's Artex 24 24kW 240V electric tankless water heater. Rinnai's Artex 24 is a premium, high-capacity 24 kW tankless electric unit designed for whole home use or larger hot water demands. It uses self-modulating technology and a 240V supply with 3 40-amp double-pole breakers, targeting households with higher flow requirements up to 5.9 GPM and a maximum temperature of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The unit features an LED display, copper immersion elements, and a durable stainless steel finish. It's explicitly pitched for homes capable of supporting a substantial electrical service, recommended 200 amp service, and emphasizes steady performance across varying inlet temperatures. In real-world operation, the Artex 24 delivers robust, continuous hot water from multiple simultaneous taps, provided the electrical system and plumbing can accommodate the load.